Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Chronicle make mention about this recently. If them not call the artist name them, it is almost like say yo, them song can't trend. Now, Alkaline has used the same strategy in his latest project, viewers and subscribers. A song people that feel like geared towards the ladies. In more talk about things about the ladies. But in one particular line, viewers and subscribers, Alkaline caught himself a say, oh, them said them around the streets. And we can't see it. When they put him at the lens, I must put in back the lens. What I mean by him can't see it? This is evident. All associates and all Gaza Nation members are dominating the charts, whether the trending charts or any music charts there is. When we talk about influence, maintain the dominance. We're not talking about sensations. We're not talking about people who have a hit song this week and then we're not hear nothing about them next week. No, Vybz Kartel has maintained dominance. For him say the teacher claim same around the streets and them can't see it. Fiction, unless him put him back the lens. There's also another line in which he must say, yo, the boss now get the crutches. Oh, that drop in. We all know Vybz Kartel's current situation. This doesn't even warrant a response, viewers and subscribers. This was strategically added to get a reaction. People more talk about the track because of that line. People they have now focused on the song in its entirety, viewers and subscribers. People as they hear the line them say about the teacher. It's almost like him use the teacher name as a feature, viewers and subscribers. We'll just point this out. As a track, this song is average at best. It is the line we are carried off. Know what I mean? I will say big him up for using that strategically. I will say big him up, we know him big him up as an individual. We mean say for the music. Him clearly as state say or implying indirectly. So Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, even the mere mention of the world boss name will generate the views. Even just the mention, him strategically put that verse or that line in the first verse. He never wait until the second verse to say it. Because he try to captivate the audience right away. And him know if the song just a regular song and him put that in the second verse or the third verse. I don't think it's that third verse. Very few Jamaican artists have 3-verse projects. Vybz Kartel have numerous 3-verse projects. You know what I mean? But keeping in tune with the reasoning, him strategically add that line to the first verse. Knowing the people that hear that first and run with it, viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? We are pointing that out so the people may get it twisted. Average song at best. But we are pointing out so we hear where we are going. We hear the reference clearly. There was reference there clearly. We hear where we are going. Yeah, sneak this. But it's a hip hop style. Maybe I try the Drake vibe. The fact that Drake they make the track back to back and it sound like a single, but he actually try for responding night and it did catch a vibe and you know what I mean. But that song was clearly a more respond type track. The teacher never responds about it. Vybz Kartel already telling you how it would have look. But see we are clash with the peasants. It don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. But that track can generate some vibe on it. People that expect it to be a response track. For you look on the cover art and realize, yo, no, not that is such. It was not a response track, but him did choose to make some statements in it. I wonder if the same voice note with my boy that was released from my boy phone, if I Alkaline not talk to, but that same track, or the same line or the same reference we hear them talk about. Who is them when I have who is Alkaline when I know youth for talk about girl thing with the teacher? Think about it. Think about it. Vybz Kartel represent for the ladies countless times. Put out songs for them, wall a vibe to, wall a joy to. Sing the songs of the pain of them heart. The ladies are gonna remind him, say yo, Alka, don't do that something. Don't try this. That style that you use, while very smart, very strategic, all you can do is get the views. Will not uplift the career. I don't feel like it'll be a song where people listen to 5-4 years from now. You know what I mean? And you kind of make that happen to the track by adding the line to it. While it might be strategic if you get the views right now, it is not a song where you have the longevity of a hit single, I would assume. But it's a great, they go on that thing on the platform. People are gravitate to it. You know what I mean? Yeah, people are gravitate to it, them are listen to it. You know what I mean? Yeah, them are voice them opinion. As I said, the line, that specific line, they generate majority of the attention you are circulating around it. That line in particular. You know what I mean? And it's surprising to know, say, an artist can put out an entire song and just the line where mention another artist or indirectly, if not mention the artist's name, you know, just imply there's some statements where make. And I propel the song. It's at the momentum where I drive the attention for the song. No, isn't Vybz Kartel one of the greatest dancehall artists that you know? The dominance viewers and subscribers of Vybz Kartel cannot be cut short by a few mentions or a few references by some artists with, you know what I mean, with a subpar career. We have to take it to that level. We have to subpar career. Because we see other sensations where they do extremely well in the same short space of time. So remember when them did I say, oh, we do this in a such and such amount of time. See, other artists have broken their record. So what is so special about them now? Look on it. The things them use, but say this make us stand out as standout artists, as breakout artists. We see numerous artists forward out since late 2019 to 2020. We can see clearly do the same things, do the same numbers as you. Sharing even the same accolades, house, the vehicles, them have them too. Contributions to dancehall music is what will live on, your legacy. And you know what I mean? Subpar songs not gonna do it. Mentioning the teacher name every now and then to get the attention, nah go do it. Attention, man. And that's clear. That is clear, Gaza Nation. Talk to me, man. What you feel about the track overall, though? You know what I mean? Is it a good song? As I say, that song for the ladies. So anytime I see an artist put out song for the ladies, I'm happy to see that. You know what I mean? Ladies must have a vibe right now. What's with them on the inside? You know what I mean? So you have to have something for them go and dance to, and you know what I mean? Put their mind at ease, hold a joy, same way. So a song for the ladies is definitely something we dancehall need right about now. Is it one of dancehall's best songs for the ladies? No. Is it one of the newer songs? Yes. So other than that, as I'm say, effort put out, drop a track, make a reference. This no warrant a response though. So if I try get the teacher to give him a response again so him can get some revitalization for his career. No. No, this not gonna do it. It's not gonna do it. I will follow with something else. And maybe you'll never get a response. You know what I mean? Maybe you'll never ever get a response. Not even something on the intro. Not even a mention. Not even a post on the IG. You know what I mean? Starving. Them can't get nothing. Tell them say no bone, no over yasso. You know what I mean? Find some other way. Drop a hit track without drop a reference in it in a song. The teacher do it numerous times. Songs we don't have to talk about nobody. Nobody at all. Tony Montana that song in general to anybody who try. Anybody. It's a clear dancehall reminder. The teacher will drop gems like that from time to time. Just some clear reminders. Say, oh, no. Remember, no place. No spot. No say over your son, phone one. But I said the one called Jaden Chase. Yes, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, you're new to the movement, you're just a pass through. But yes, you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. This is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right just upon the platform. The like icon there as well. From a like, we age up a like on the blog. In truth, the share icon is also there as well. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reason, also join the discussion. Comment section always open 24/7, never lock yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. And yes, we can continue the reason via the comment section, viewers and subscribers. Remember, no man. Yeah, man, now move settings, fam. And we no need no ladder. My sentiments. But first and foremost, I'm going to do a quick recap. Alkaline drop a track, sneak this in at Vybz Kartel. Would you believe? And then I make it look like see the teacher go out of them way to make reference against young youth. Who am I try trick? We don't need no lot of viewers and subscribers, and my sentiments for you and yours upon to live, love and prosper until the reason again.